How to draw an old-fashioned bike. Welcome to Rain Francis Art for Kids. Today I'm going to show you how to draw this cute little old-fashioned bike with 2 markers. I'll show you how to do this step by step. This is an easy drawing lesson for kids, beginners, and kids of all ages. Hi everyone, welcome to Rain Francis Art for Kids. My name is Rain. In this series, Machines and Tools, we draw everything from hammers to tractors. So let's draw. This is what you'll need for today's drawing. You're going to need a piece of paper. I have a dollar store drawing pad here. It's 11 inches by 8.5. I have only 2 markers today that I'm using, and they're both black color. Doesn't matter what color. I just have a thin marker and I have a thick marker. If you only have one size marker, that's absolutely fine. And I'm going to bring out my roll of masking tape to help me draw the circle for the bike's wheel, okay? So I'm going to start off with my thin, fine-tipped black marker, okay? And what I want to do, let me just get that off the page. I want to have a big wheel and a small wheel. So I'm going to try my best to make this a nice circle, and you can use whatever you have around the house. If you have a bowl or a cup or something like that, you could use that. So that's not too bad. That's a nice big circle because those old-fashioned bikes, they had a big front wheel. Now, I don't have anything I can use for the small wheel, so I'm going to try to draw it myself. I hope I can do it because this is with marker. Usually I draw with pencil first, but I decided I'm going to start with just a marker. So let's draw a small wheel. Just on the side here. Ooh. It's a little lopsided, but I think it'll do. Now we're going to draw a few more little circles. One circle in the middle here. And one circle in the middle here. Okay? And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my big Sharpie marker because I want it to be a little bit thicker. And I'm going to actually go over the whole thing. And I'm going to be really, really careful because I don't want to mess up my circle. So why don't I start? I just want the outside of the wheel to be thicker. So far, so good. Let's see if I can do this. Ooh. I get nervous when I draw with marker because you can't really erase it. But I think I did an okay job. It's a little messy down here, but that's okay. And I'm going to color in that circle in the middle. Just like that. You know what? Maybe I'll just make it a little thicker, and that way I can fix my mistake. Or make new mistakes. Which is what I usually do. Just making that a little thicker. See if I can fix it here. I think that's already looking a little better, so you can do stuff like that. You know, if you don't like the circle you made, you could just make it thicker and it'll fix itself. There, I'm not going to touch it. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. Now I just want to show you something. You have to be careful because I don't know if you can see. I got marker on my hand here because my hand was on the page. So be careful when you're using marker. Sometimes depending on the marker, it takes a while for it to dry. Okay, and I'm going to color in that circle in the middle there. So now we have the front wheel and we have the back wheel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my thick Sharpie, and I'm going to be careful not to get my hand in the marker again, and I'm going to draw a line, and that line is going to go up like this, and it's going to stop like that, and I'm going to make it a bit thicker. Okay, this is the handle. So then we draw a little, just a little curvy line like that. I'm going to make them all pretty thick. That's the handle. Now these bikes are kind of funny looking, so I'm going to show you from here, about midway here, we're going to draw a curved line that's going to meet that circle there, okay? And I'm going to make that a little thicker as well. There we go. It's starting to look a little bit like a bicycle. And the way they had the seats, this was funny. Around here, there was a little curve, and I'll double that line up. And then the actual seat, which kind of looks like that, okay? And I'm going to color in that seat black. I don't know how they rode these things. I don't know how they got on, how they got off. Okay, so we're done with the Sharpie marker. Now I'm going to take my little fine liner and I'm going to draw spokes. Now, if you want, you could use a ruler for this. I just want to make sure, first of all, that my marker is dry. Okay, it's dry. So I already got Sharpie marker all over me, so I don't want to get any more on me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the spokes. Now the spokes are easy. You're just drawing lines, watch. From the little circle to the outer edge there. Just drawing spokes. That's what they're called, spokes. And just do that across the entire wheel, okay? It's hard for me to get it at this angle, but I will try. And you can make them thick, thin. You can put 4, you can put 8, you can put 50, as many as you like. We just want to make it look like a bicycle wheel. There we go. I might add a few more actually. Kind of in the middle here. Yeah, I'm going to add some more all the way around. There we go. I'm happy with that. And I'm going to do the same thing with the little wheel here. Maybe one in there. And like I said, you don't have to use black. You could use any color you want. We're just having some fun today, drawing a little old-fashioned bike. And there you have it, my friends. How easy was that? I think this was one of the easiest drawing lessons I've ever recorded. Now, don't forget to sign your work. I want you to be very, very proud of the beautiful work of art that you just created. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, my friends, and we'll see you next time on Machines and Tools. Thanks for watching. Bye.